Hi everyone, in this video I will be explaining what is DX API and how to create a case by using the DX API. Generally why Pega has introduced DX API v2 is in order to decrease the payload and to have a formatted metadata so that if you call DX API it can send the metadata and it will be displayed in any front-end technologies. So right now, as we know, it is compatible with React.js. It is built on React.js, and it is mostly compatible with all the existing front-end technologies. So okay, let us go through how this DX API works. When we switch to Dev Studio, you have to click on these resources and select Pega API. Here, another window will open where you will be seeing the service package here, the Constellation X APIs, traditional APIs, data extract APIs, prediction APIs, and all. Currently, we are checking with Constellation DX API. So here, these many APIs are there which are performing existing or any functionalities, or to modify any assignment, or to create any case. We'll be using these APIs, and Prega has already provided this. So here to create a new case, okay. Here to create a new case we have this API. In this API the request body is like this. For example, if you want to send the PY country code, PY description, or something, whichever data is required for the case to be created at the initial stage, we have to send it in the content. Else if you want to create the case only, then we have to send the only one parameter, that is case type ID, in the request body. So if you pass the class of the case, then it will automatically create a case in Pega. Okay, let us copy this. To know the API URL, you have to switch to records. In the records you have to click on service package. Currently the service package which is holding all the DX API v2 is application. There are two service packages initially. If you check, there is one service package API. In this API you will be seeing all the v1 versions. If you scroll down, you can see what all the connectors are there. Like you can see, these are v1, DX API v1. Currently in the application service package we have all v2 versions. This is supporting Constellation. See, these are all v2. Okay, so I just want to show you then currently we are looking at cases API. Yeah, here you can see, if you select this case API, go to methods tab, you will see there is a post to create a case. It doesn't support get, it doesn't support put, nothing. It just supports post. We have to use the post only. So I am copying this URL. Let me show you how the service package also is main to create a case. So I am removing the authentication, okay, and I am going to Postman. I am creating a new HTTP. I am selecting the method as post, and I am giving the URL. Then in the body I have to pass the case type ID, okay. Suppose if it has a child case, then we have to pass the child case in the upper and the second parent case ID in the second. So we have to pass. Okay, let us see, we have these many. Okay, let us open ship parcel. Okay, I will create a ship parcel case once. Okay, parser. I'm copying this class. We just have to pass the case type ID only in order to create a case. Okay, I'm clicking on send. See, I'm getting a response phone not unauthorized. So it doesn't require any authentication, but we might have passed here. Not okay. I might have not saved this. So here you can see that we got a response to not one created, but if you see the problem here, it went through repair flow configuration. It went to broken process because as there is no authentication, there is no user ID, so it can't route the case to the existing user, like the user who has created the case. That's the main issue here. So in order to eliminate that, we have to use basic auth. I am giving the credentials, whatever the user ID is there, and passwords I have mentioned here. And in the service package also, I have to mention basic auth. We have like OAuth 2.0 also. In the next video, I will show you how OAuth 2.0 works. We have to give a client registration and all. I will be showing in the next video. So right now, I am clicking on send. See, we got the case created and there is no problem flow assignment here. The case is routed properly. Even in the dev studio also you can check. Here in the next video we will be focusing on how to work on the assignment, and if there is any data on the assignment, how we have to submit that, and how to, like, for suppose if there is a country drop down, or like if there is a state drop down, how we will be passing the country data and state data to submit the assignment. If there is an approval, how we are going to do that. In the next assignment, next video I will be showing you how to work with the DX API itself in order to close the case. If you go to process shift parser, here you can see like there will be two cases created. One will be moved to problem flow basket. See, it will move to problem flow work basket. But if you see this, because we haven't provided authentication earlier, so it routed exactly to the like the user who has created the case. And if you see, like, it's very easy. You can click on it, how many sentences you want to do. You can create the case in a second. See, case are created. Okay, in the next video I will be showing you how to work with OAuth 2.0 and how to work on the assignments. Thank you.